Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons.
I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
I basically just want to tell you about a money income opportunity, I would say. You can call it an investment opportunity. And if you just pretty much just need a home, you're looking for a home, this is a good opportunity for you. But we basically talking about tax lien investing. Pretty much every state, every city, every county pretty much does tax lien auctions. It's pretty much for people who are delinquent with their property taxes. The county will take their home. They will auction it off for a percentage. And sometimes they pretty much are just, they start the bidding off at what's owed on the taxes. If, someone lost their home, unfortunately, they lost their home and they was only behind $3,500 in taxes, guess what the bidding starts at? $3,500. And so if you're there with $3,500, guess what? You could bid and win that property. And then guess what? The benefit of that is, if you need somewhere to live, the benefit of getting a tax lien property is you don't have to go through the whole qualifying, to get a mortgage and stuff. You don't have to, be on your job a certain amount of time and have a certain amount of tax returns, and you don't have to verify income and where your money came from and stuff like that. If you got the money, you pretty much can move right in. Now there is terms that you have to think about. You show up at pretty much this is the beginning. You will do your research, contact your county assessor, and find out when the next auction is going on. Okay, you can also get a list from them. You can download the list sometimes with certain counties. Download the list online, and in certain counties you may have to just walk in and actually get the list, a physical list. And so you could go walk those properties, go drive up, pull up, check them out. You could also check them out online, do some research, find out what's owed, find out if there's any liens on the property or anything like that. And if everything is cool, you show up the day of the auction and you place your bids on the properties you want. You may see some property, want to bid on something that you didn't necessarily go look at, but you may want to bid. That's bidding kind of blindly, but that's what you want to do. You can do that. And so that's pretty much how it works. There are redemption periods where if someone loses their home, they can have 100. They can have 90 days. They have 120 days. I know Illinois redemption period is 2 years. Indiana, Lake County, Indiana, redemption period is 120 days. So understand, when you win the property, okay, you're still not getting the deed just yet. Okay, you have to wait on the redemption period. Redemption period is pretty much the time that the owner has to get their property back, to pay the money and get their stuff back. Now, if you bid on something and you have your eyes set on moving in for yourself, and somebody pays that money and during the redemption period, then you may lose out on the property being able to move in yourself. But this is where the investment comes in. Okay, that person has to pay back the money owed plus interest. Guess where that money goes to? That money goes to you, because you just won that property. And so technically, before you got the deed, they paid their redemption, and therefore they paid you. Okay, this is one of the easiest ways where you can actually get money off investments. You can get money just by purchasing this property. And if the owner buys it back or gets it back, you got money. Now, if it doesn't happen that way, and you go ahead and you get the property, and you get the deed, and they don't pay it back, guess what? That property's yours, mortgage free, no monthly payments on that property. The only thing you would have to do is make the regular property taxes, on it. You would have to pay the property taxes, and that's pretty much all you would have to pay on that house, or repairs or whatever the house may need to bring it up to code and stuff like that. But that's pretty much all you gotta do. Now, on the flip side, if you're an investor and you want to real estate, you want to wholesale the deal, or if you want to flip or rent it out and stuff like that, you can do that. You can definitely do that, because again, there's no monthly payment on the house. So whatever you get from the auction, you pretty much can rent that out, and it's basically 100% profit in a way. Okay, so those are your options when it comes to tax lien investing. Okay, find out where the auctions are. These auctions start off, a lot of them start out at like $3,500, $5,000. Okay, and some of these properties nobody wants. Okay, look, if it's boarded up, it's been vacant for so long, or something's been going on, and it's just tore up, they left alone and so for so long. You gotta understand, you may be in there and be the only one that want it, or see the only one that sees something in it, and you make those bids and stuff, and you get it. You can do whatever you want with it. Okay, it's your property. You can build to it, you can add on to it. It's whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so keep in mind, there are many options when it comes to tax lien investing. Okay, you can keep it yourself. You can hold it and wait for them to pay you in the redemption period, or you can actually move in it yourself. And the other option outside of just moving in yourself is to get it and hold it. Get it and hold it. See what the market is doing. Go get some other properties at the same place. At the same auction, or at the next auction. Get some help, And then next thing you know, you have several properties out here, that you can actually rent out and get some profit for. Get your money back. All right. So keep in mind about the returns that you can have. Okay. Then you have to pay attention to the fact that you may be able to get $180,000 crib. You may be able to get $200,000 crib. These are homes that are being auctioned off for pennies on the dollar, y'all. So you get $200,000 home, but even if you spent $50,000, is that not worth it? It's worth it to me. If you find a home that needs some help, the home may need some help. It may need like some repairs or something like that, but it could be $180,000. If it costs $180,000, then you basically may get it in the auction for $20,000. You may get it in the auction for $10,000. You never know. So understand, this is the hustle for my people, and I ain't all on that power to the people and all that type of stuff. Okay, this ain't one of those videos. But as far as my people go, we need more of us with homes, with land. Look at this. Look at the hustle. Okay, I'm about to put y'all on game. Getting a home could be hard sometimes with this tax lien investing, because you could be in the same room with companies who have no budget, who are ready to buy whatever. Okay, now there are some lots, there are some acres of land that are going to be sold in that same room that nobody wants. Okay, nobody wants it. And so if the land is being sold at that auction for pennies, okay, you can buy 3 acres. Let's just say 3 acres. If you could get 3 acres for $3,500, would you do it? So peep this, with 3 acres of land, let's just say it's undeveloped land. Let's just say it's nothing there, okay? Maybe you don't need nothing there. Maybe you don't. What if you lived in a state where marijuana was legal and you can actually grow, pay whatever license there is, whatever, how the government is. They gonna get their money from you, to allow you to do something that, shouldn't have been illegal in the first place. But that's a different video also. But look, you live in a state where marijuana is legal. You go get you some land for $3,500. Do you not understand the return on that? Especially if you have acres. You know how much what you can grow and the profit on that? Let's think, y'all. Elevate our way of thinking. This is what it is. If you're new to this channel, I'm Gabriel Joseph. I'm here to help you elevate your way of thinking and so that you can live your best life, okay? I'm gonna give you different tips on eating healthy, different tips on getting money, you know what I'm saying? Like this right here, tax lien investing. That's a hustle, okay? This can definitely take away your full-time jobs. And then if you're just somebody that's struggling, you got money, but you just can't get a crib because the way you make money, or you can't get approved for a home because of your bad credit or something like that. This is how you do it. You can get in the tax lien auction. Guess what? That home is yours. While everybody you know with good credit and everybody you know who got their stuff together paying mortgages $1,500 a month, guess what you're not doing? Paying a mortgage. You know what I'm saying? Okay? You can keep that crib yourself, live in it, go get another crib because you're saving so much money because you're working and you're not paying a regular mortgage. So you can easily do that and then go get another crib to rent out. Now your friends over there just owning their cribs, paying their mortgage every month, while you living for free and got 2 properties. You living for free in one, and then you over there renting out the other. Who winning? Who's winning? So look, if you haven't spent all your tax money, if you haven't spent all your stimulus money, if you have money coming in, be smart, be wise, guys, okay? Be wise. Let's get this land. We definitely need it, okay? This is the time to do it, all right? Gabriel Joseph, I'm out. Like, comment, share, subscribe to these videos. Mastering Life TV. I got more. But until then, 2 fingers back on my walk. It's a beautiful day out here.
Fivrr.